Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in St. Ann. Before we get into the video, let's see how well you really know your country. Name this popular Jamaican spot. Now let's jump right into the video. House number 1. For this one, it is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house located in Brownstown, St. Ann. The size of this house is 2,579 square feet and it's been listed for 26.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. First up, we have the veranda. Next is the living and dining area. Followed by that is the kitchen. And we move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a second bedroom. Out of 4 bedrooms, 2 were shown. Followed by that, we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is a second bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however, only 2 were shown. We move right along to the wash area. And lastly, we have the balcony. From here, we're going to head back on the outside. That will then be the end of the images for house number 1. House number 2. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house located in the community of Retreat in Brownstown, St. Ann. The size of this house is 1,700 square feet and it's been listed for 27 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. First up, we have the living and dining area. And next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is a third bedroom. Followed by that is the bathroom. Next, we have an additional shower along with the wash area. And that would be the end of the images for house number 2. House number 3. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house found in Fern Grove in Ocho, St. Ann. The size of this house is approximately 2,000 square feet and it's been listed for 24.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. First up, we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is a third bedroom. Next is the bathroom. Out of 3 bathrooms, 1 is being shown. We move right along to the wash area. And that would be the end of the images for house number 3. House number 4. Here we have a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found in Mansfield in Ocho Rios, St. Anne. The size of this house is 2,072 square feet and it's on the market for 26 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. First up, we have the veranda. Next is the living area, dining area, and followed by that are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms, however only 3 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, and this is the second bathroom. And that would be the end for house number 4. House number 5. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found in Brownstown, St. Anne. The size of this house is approximately 2,500 square feet and it's on the market for 26 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. First up, we have the living and dining area. And here is the kitchen. We move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Out of 3 bedrooms, 2 were shown. Next is the bathroom. This house has 2 bathrooms in all, however only 1 is being shown. We move from here to the balcony. And that will be the end for house number 5. That would also bring us to the end of this video. So if you are interested in any of the houses that were shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.